So hey guys, welcome to Shell's Time Kitchen Flavor. In today's video, I'll be doing some Jamaican style white rice, corned beef, and cabbage. But stay tuned for this video because I did not crush the corned beef. I added a little twist to this and I made a change for this quick and easy Sunday dinner or any time in the week you feel for this. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is your girl Shelly. Welcome to my channel. Please remember guys, it's free to give the video a like. Don't be mean with it. It is free. So I am off today from work and I'll be shooting 2 videos which you'll see at different times. So stay tuned and welcome to my channel. Love you guys. Thank you for your support. Stay tuned. So I washed some jasmine rice. I added a little hint of salt and a little pinch of butter. Now on into prepping my cabbage, which I soaked in salt water once I cut. Then I normally cut the core out of it. That middle part you see me cutting, I remove it. You feel free to chop your cabbage if you want it large. I always love to cut mine this way, but there is no specific way. Everyone cooks different. My way might not be your way. And let us all respect all persons do their cooking because there is no book with the right or the wrong way. My rice has dried out. I added fall to it to allow to steam. There goes 1 whole medium cabbage that I sliced. And then the seasonings that I use smoked paprika, oregano, Badia complete seasoning, all-purpose garlic powder, a little hint of black pepper. I did not use any salt. The tin corned beef has salt. Then your girl added a little hint of olive oil and then I added my seasoning under medium heat. Once I stir this in, then I will start to add in black pepper, oregano. Then I added complete seasoning, Sazon complete, it has salt, and then some Maggi all-purpose or Maggi season up, the Jamaican style one, my little garlic powder, and I did not use salt. Please feel free to taste your pot as you go. And of course I added some unsalted butter to this. I love a crunchy cabbage. I don't like my cabbage soft and I don't add water to my cabbage when I'm cooking it. The cabbage springs sufficient water and that's my way, Shell's way, not your way. No water in my cabbage. Even when the cabbage is done cooking, it normally springs water, which I normally remove from it. No water in my cabbage once it's done. Corned beef, I just use the key to open it, and instead of crushing the corned beef out, I used a knife to cut slices in my corned beef. Yes, I like it this way. I don't really like it when it's crushed out, and this is also another way that feel free to try it this way. Even if you're not using cabbage, you can slice your corned beef and you can warm it up in chunks instead of crushing this out, because I think as Jamaicans were used to it, crushing it out. You can slice, dice as big as you choose, as chunky as you choose, and you can warm this just like the tin mackerel that comes in chunks. I don't like to crush mine out. There you go. Unless you're making sandwich. Then my cabbage is already steamed to the liking that I like. Then I added in my sliced tin corned beef. Thank you guys for coming to my channel. Thank you for the support. I can't implore you enough to thank you all. For those who continue to watch, like, share, comment, and even those who haven't subscribed. At this point, I tipped another little hint of olive oil from this because I drained the little water that came from my cabbage out, which you did not see, and then I stir this in. My corned beef is still intact. I added a little thyme to my cabbage when I was cooking it, and some habanero pepper, and I added a little tomato paste or tomato ketchup on this. This is optional. This is not for you, then do it your way. I like to add a little dash of ketchup to my corned beef. Now, to not make this break up, you don't want to stir this too much to break up the chunks of corned beef that you made. Once done, I just added my pot cover and I just left on medium to low heat. No water in my cabbage. If I needed a little oil, then I'll tip another little olive oil in it, but it is complete. Then, of course, I'll dish a plate to show you a little bed of white rice and a little cabbage and corned beef. Quick, easy, cheap Sunday dinner. Although corned beef is not cheap, it's almost $6 for this Jamaican style corned beef. It's not cheap, but the cabbage is cheap. So if you want to exempt the corned beef, the cabbage is extremely cheap. Quick and easy. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whatever you choose meal. Look at my meal. I could serve this up in a restaurant. Yes, a little bit of white rice and my cabbage and my corned beef. Thank you guys for stopping by. Please remember, on your way out, please remember to give your girl a like, because I think a lot of you tend to forget to like the video. On to the next. Thank you.